crawl into bed. And I'll just lay here.
What are you doing?
When Trouble's in bed with me, I feel like he's sleeping. Well, he is. He's basically right next to me. So I'm actually hoping
Boo.
that the cloning can be done and I can get Trouble back so he can be sleeping with me in bed.
I
would
see
prefer Trouble being in bed
you.
with me than any big movie star out there, than anybody out there.
Rah.
Good night, Trouble.
Bless you.
Danielle crosses the next hurdle to a reunion.
Where's your pom-poms? Yeah, you threw them on the floor. Go get them. Go shake them.
But will the cost of cloning
Go, Stella, go.
plan?
Go, Stella, go. Go, Stella, go. Go, skate. Hooray!
Whatever I have to do, I will do. The money will be definitely gone.
And this man also dreams of being reunited with his beloved pooch.
My life will be just one big long gun game. I get wired every second. I feel that my life can't go on.
What are you doing? What you got? Water bottle? Do you want some? You want some? That doesn't hurt when you step on it. Hey, your foot. Foot? Can you say foot? Shake your pom-poms. Shake your pom-poms, shake your pom-poms.
Now, for a limited time, you can take advantage of Vonage's best offer ever. For just $9.99 a month for the first 3 months, you can make calls to over 60 countries worldwide from your phone and mobile phone. And talk for as long as you
On your foot?
call 877
Foot?
this amazing deal.
There's a ball on the TV?
Come on, come on.
Would you mind if I paid you?
Was there a ball on the TV?
You knew Peach Mango. Of course. You
Stella? Do 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 do. Shake your pom-poms.
Emily's just starting out.
Or step on them.
Like a ramen noodle every night budget. Cheap
Bye-bye.
cars